Mr. Chandrayaan is ready, and if you see, this is a sweet little galaxy that we've made, and Shaina is ready to make him move. So slowly, see, if you see, slowly. Wow, slowly, 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 Shaina, slowly. Wow. And she has to say, wow, that was a beautiful turn, Shaina. And we need to turn. Wow, you did it. And we've reached the moon. Yippee! Wow, people, if you see that, this was such an interesting activity. Shaina, did you like it?
Now I like it. I did it now.
Oh, give me a high five. Yay! Did you see this, moms? Please, please, please do it with your kid. I am loving this so much. Shaina's had a good time, and I'm going to make a practice this. The mistake that I did with this activity is that if you see the tracks were too close, you can take a bigger chart or bigger sheet and do it a little more further, so there's a little gap between the vehicle that you create or whatever, basically you create a little car or an aeroplane or a toy, anything that you create, just keep a little gap. That was the only mistake I did. So Shaina, what do you think of this activity? Are the mamas going to like it?
Yes.
They are?
Yeah.
Okay. And Shaina, can we start the other activities as well?
Yeah, that must be easy.
Yeah, they are going to be easy. This was a little creative one. So mamas, keep watching us. Do not leave us. Please, please, please. So moms, this is the second activity that I'm showing you. Basically, these has 2-3 things in it. That's the shape thing, the idea of an outline, and plus this is the road track that we've tried to create. So boys will love this activity. They can be taught about shapes through this activity. They can be taught about tracks and road safety about this activity. So Shaina is going to move this little Mr. Battery. So Shaina, can we go ahead with him?
Yes.
So what we do is, yes, we take it like this, and see, such an easy one. Wow, this is such an easy one. What a way to teach kids about shape. You just keep moving it on the tracks and they will think that, oh, wow, and they understand the concept that how a triangle is done. So this is one activity, and then we take it back on the other one, and this is another rectangle on the same page that we have taken. So we'll start it from here, and we have to just keep moving him. So see, this is another activity. I had this sheet, so I gave it to Shaina, and she was trying it, and see, this is how you do the triangle. So I guess the activity is a little simpler and kids won't have a problem. All you need to do is make sure that you know that the kid is able to understand how or she or he is supposed to go about. So I'll give you one more activity, so just wait and watch for me. Please, please do not leave us. We're just having fun and hope you too have fun. So parents, if you see, this is a circle. I've already showed you triangle and rectangle. So this is a circle. I've made arrows so it's easy for the kid to follow, so you can do similar sorts. So Shaina, can we start this round racing course, please?
Yes.
See, all the kid has to do is follow this line. It's a magnet, and I'm telling you, the kid is going to be so focused that what the outline is about, how he or she is supposed to go about. So they'll be able to understand that this is a line and this is a circle, and this is how they're supposed to move, and this is how you write an O. So there are so many things in just this one little idea. So this is what I'm trying to say, that we need to do these simple activities with the kid, and kids will learn a lot without you putting any stress on them that they are forcefully sat down and they have to learn something. So Shaina, can we start with the triangle now?
Yes.
So we'll start with the triangle. So Shaina, you can pick that and put it at on this corner here. So now she's put it on this corner, and now you can see how she's going to, wait Shaina, I'll just move him a little this side. Yes, so you're comfortable enough to try him out. And yes, we have moved him. And Shaina, you can start.
What?
Yeah, so Shaina, please start.
Yes.
So see, this is how again a triangle, and I've made these arrows for them to keep it simple, so the kids understands that how they are supposed to go about. So you need to take a board or you take a plate, anything that a magnet attracts, and you can go ahead with it. And I'll show you the other curves as well, so just keep watching us. Do not leave us, please. So basically these are lines. I want to make one thing very clear with the parents. Please do not straight away pick up crayons and give your kid to write an alphabet. They need to know the basic concept of alphabet, and those are lines. Any form of lines they can learn will help them to learn how to write an alphabet, a number, anything. I bet on that, because that's how I taught my little one. So Shaina, please go ahead with this zigzag line. Please, please teach them lines, curvy lines, zigzag line, any sort of line, mountain line, cloudy line, any line. but teach them lines before you give them a crayon to learn alphabets. You'll make it very easy for them to understand the uppercase and the lowercase and the alphabets. That's it. Similarly, I've made arrows. Shoshana, can you put on the arrow now? Yes, please. Very good. Very good. So these are the spirals, and these are the simple activities that I'm sharing with you, because I just want you to know that if Shina's enjoying it and she's already knows all this, I just wanted him to be put across for your kid as well, because it's very important for us to give simple activities which the kid can focus, learn and imagine, and that's what we're trying to do. So I'll show you the alphabets one so you can actually relate my line idea with him. So just give me a second, I'll just show you the alphabet activity as well. So here are the lines and the alphabet. So I was trying to relate. So do you see, when you make this curve like this, that's an alphabet line. So basically Shaina can write an A. Shaina, can you write an A? This is an A, and if you see, this A comes with the zigzag line. So basically this is what I'm trying to say. Kids need to first and foremost learn and understand lines. If they are familiar with lines, they can learn alphabets very easily. The similar thing I've done with B, if you see, and the similar thing I've done with C. So basically what I'm trying to say is that please do not straight away go for alphabets. Just let them learn lines. Just give them and let them scribble the way they want, and I'm telling you, you'll be very happy with the results. And one last activity I'll show you for the numbers, so just keep watching us till now. So this is again our last activity, that's the numbers. So Shaina is going to write 2 with again the magnet idea. Shaina, please go ahead. See, that's how she's learning to curve, and this is how she's made a 2, and then she'll go for a 1. Yes, perfect. And there she's completes a 21. So basically what I'm trying to say is this magnetic activity can be changed into whatever way you want to teach. You can create a little scenario in a paper plate. I have taken sheets, but you can still take paper plates and do it, because I didn't have a paper plate, else it would have been much more easier for me. But all you need is magnets, paper plates and some few sketch pens with some little outline ideas and how you want your little one to do. You can create road tracks and give it to your boys. You can create a little Red Riding Hood sort of story, sort of give it to your girls, and if they are both twins or something interesting that they will love to do. So I hope you guys try my idea. Give me your feedback, follow me, subscribe me, and let me know if you need any help, and obviously I'm there. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye Shaina.
Bye.